how to split column data using text split and flash fill. We will use both approach to split this text by using the flash fill and text to columns. Let's try first by text to columns option. To do this, go to the data and slide over here, text to columns. First, let's select the data, column A. Let's select it and go to text to columns. You see the description here, and we'll click it. Here we have got new dialog box. We'll choose a delimited one, and next we'll use a space delimiter. You see it's now finished. Now we get the column is splitted into two, column A and column B, so we get the result. It's good. Let's undo it and try the second option. Type genome and go to data, flash fill. It says automatically fill in the values. Click it. So we get this column, the first name. Let's do it again. Try to type this one. This time Gomez, and go to again to flash fill. Click it. Now got this one also. So this column is split into two, column B and C. So we get the same result with flash fill and text to column option. That's great.